If you are one of those people who like to keep their inbox clean with zero emails, then maybe have a look at this new generative AI tool called as Summit. The idea is quite simple. It lets you send all of your newsletters to another email, and from there it generates a summary and key takeaways of those emails, especially the newsletters, so that instead of just waiting to read those whole big long newsletters, you just offload that task to Summit, which summarizes those newsletters, and you just spend few minutes every day going through them. Especially with this generative AI and a lot of YouTube channels or newsletters in text and images format covering it, it has become really difficult, and I can vouch for that personally, to go through all of them every day, and it just adds to your anxiety that when you look at your inbox and there are heaps of them still lying around from the last couple of weeks. And another thing is that the way this generative AI and other technology is evolving rapidly almost every day, if you don't go through these emails, these newsletters, or any new blog announcement, product announcement, then you miss out on a lot of things. So, in order to save time, in order to make sure that you remain on top of these things, I believe that tools like this Summit are quite nice. With this, you can reach inbox zero, you can reclaim your time, and you can also stay on top of information flow. Now, there are heaps of other things which you can do with it, like you can stop checking your feeds constantly, and you can just read it on your own schedule, just a summary of it. So, that is how you will never waste time on irrelevant content again. Also, you can have a scheduled reading that allows you to focus on what's important at hand, and you will reduce the noise, and you will never have that fear of missing out again, especially when it comes to content. And if you have already tried out various solutions, and if you're already tired of all of those hundreds of unread newsletters, then you can even unsubscribe them from single place by just going to Summit. Also, another cool thing is that you can even subscribe with this email to YouTube channels or any article you should have just read a tweet about. Okay, now having said that, in order to start using it, all you need to do is to go to their website, and I'll drop the link in video's description. Click on start for free after putting in your email here. Once you log in, you'll be presented with this screen. Click on start, and then just go with, I'll just put in my name, submit. Now it's the plan is only one, which is right now 33% off, around $10 per month US. And the plan looks quite big, where you can have 500 GPT-4 summaries per week, daily weekly digest, AI inbox, and few other things. Okay, I'll just go with start for free. Hopefully it won't ask me credit card. If it does, that's a bummer. Okay, that's rubbish. So I'm not going to give it any credit card information unless I try it out. So I will just stop here. Unfortunately, won't be able to show you. But this guy has a video on at the front of his channel, which you can read through, where it shows you. I'll just play a little, or maybe I'll just stop the noise. Okay, so you can see that all you need to do is to, I'm not showing his email, I just want to show you his console. So there you go. So all you need to do, as I said, you just need this email address at the top. This one, you just get it, and then you can subscribe through it, and you can watch rest of his YouTube video, or just go to his website and read it out. But really, one suggestion for this founder and all the other founders, that please don't ask the credit card information from people unless they have tried your tool. We don't know who you are, we don't know your company. Looks good. I wish I could use and try out your tool, but unless I do that, I don't want to share any financial information. That's it, guys. Tool looks good. All the features look good, but I think um, they need to really fix this thing, because if um, this is really off-putting for the people. Whatever this tool is doing, not everything, but some of it can easily be done by prompt engineering in ChatGPT, because at the back end, as some of the information listed on this website mentions, it is using ChatGPT. So all we can do, we can go there, we can just put our newsletters there in some sort of file format and get the summary out of it. Bit clunky, but can be done. Anyway, that's it. I will drop the link to it anyway in the video description. Have a go at it if you want to subscribe, and let me know your experience. And if you're aware of any other similar tool, let me know. Happy to review it too. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, do me a favor and share it among your network. Thanks for watching.